A very good morning, my dear students. Today in GK tutorial, we will be discussing chapter Great Discoveries. See, we should be very much thankful to all those scientists who have made discoveries for us. And in medical line, there are so many discoveries which are done by scientists like X-ray, anesthesia, vaccine, penicillin. So many discoveries are there. And in this chapter, the names of discoveries are given along with scientists who discovered those, and with that, in which year they got done, it is also given. So you have to match the name of the scientist along with the name of the discovery, and you have to match it with year also. See, in medical line, like vaccine is a great discovery. See, we should be very much thankful to that person, that scientist, Edward Jenner, who made the discovery of vaccine. Why so? Because as you know, nowadays, so many people are suffering with COVID. Okay. So what is the treatment for that? Vaccine. Okay. So vaccine, we are very much thankful to Edward Jenner, who has done this discovery of vaccine. And first of all, he discovered that vaccine for the treatment of smallpox. After that, so many other discoveries were done. And now great invention, great discovery of vaccine is in front of us, and we are using it. Okay. So let's begin with this chapter. Let's take all the names of discoveries and match it with the scientist. Okay, students, let's start.
My dear students, it is a pic of a famous English physician and scientist, and his name is Edward Jenner. He is a person who discovered vaccine first time. First of all, he discovered vaccine for smallpox. He is very much famous who brought vaccine in the world, and his invention was done by him in 1796. So jot down all these details in your GK books. Edward Jenner, 1796. And he was the first one who discovered vaccine. So write down all these details. Now let's see the pic of next scientist. It is a image of William T.G. Morton. Why this scientist is so famous? Because he made discovery of anesthesia. See, anesthesia is given to patient before any surgery to make them faint. And this discovery was done in 1846 by William T.G. Morton. So my dear students, write down all the details about this discovery, anesthesia, which was discovered in 1846 by William T.G. Morton. Clear, students? Dear students, before telling you the name of this scientist, I just want to tell you about germ theory. See, you are very much aware of this fact that germs can lead to disease. It is a scientific theory for so many diseases. And do you know who invented germ theory? By whom germ theory was invented? Germ theory was invented in 1861 by Louis Pasteur. So Louis Pasteur was the scientist who brought germ theory. According to him, germs can lead to disease and it can spread so many other diseases. So we should avoid germs. Okay? Now here is one image in front of you. This is an image of a great scientist, and his name is Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. He made a discovery of X-rays, and this discovery was made in 1895. He brought this discovery X-rays in world, and he made this discovery that cathode rays can pass through X-rays. Okay, so write down all the details of this discovery, in which year it was invented, and the name of the scientist. So write down all these details on your GK books. Write down the spellings very carefully. Wilhelm, Wilhelm, Conrad, Conrad, and Roentgen, Roentgen. This person is also known with the name W.C. Roentgen. He made discovery of X-rays in 1895. W.C. Roentgen. Here, right in front of you, it is an image of a famous scientist named Alexander Fleming. Do you know, my dear student, Alexander Fleming discovered what? Yes, he discovered penicillin in 1928. Do you know what is the meaning of penicillin? I just tell you what is penicillin. Penicillin is basically an antibiotic, and whenever a person has certain infection, so these antibiotics are given to that person to fight with those certain infections. And who made this discovery? This discovery was done by Alexander Fleming in 1928. So students, write down all the details of this scientist, year and name of the invention. Now my dear students, jot down the details of all these 5 scientists and their discoveries along with the year in your GK book. Revise it thoroughly and you learn it by heart, name of discoveries along with the scientist names. If you still face any kind of difficulty, you can ask me in doubt clearing session. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.